And with a new school year comes a new school policy. Mobile County School System is keeping social media around, but with limits. Fox 10 News reporter Chastity Bird has what you need to know before the school bells ring.
Dr. Roy Nichols says the Mobile County School System has to keep up with the times.
Whenever you open up a new opportunity, there's also an opportunity for abuse.
That's why social media in the school system will not be banned. But because of that opportunity for abuse, rules had to be set for sites like Facebook.
We're not encouraging them to necessarily use Facebook, but should they find it advantageous to use Facebook, we're suggesting that they be work pages, not personal pages.
That's the suggestion for school employees. Nichols says some disagreed with keeping social media around, but he says he sees it as an excellent way to communicate if it's done the right way. And that means knowing where the line should be drawn.
Use it responsibly. Make sure that you maintain a professional relationship with your students, even if you're friending them on Facebook.
Nichols says he has no problem with students or parents communicating on the social sites, but he reminds parents that there are other ways to keep up with their children, no social media involved.
We have give parents access to the teachers through their email account. We give out that information. We also have a program where parents can tap in and find out what their students' grades are and how they're performing in class.
Nichols says it is always important to be aware of what's going on in your child's life, and if you do suspect something inappropriate, report it immediately. Reporting from Mobile County, Chastity Bird, Fox 10 News.
And this new policy also deals with text messaging. If you'd like to see the new policy, we've put it up in its entirety on our website, fox10tv.com. The issue of social media in the school system was brought to light last year when Causey Middle School teacher was accused of inappropriately communicating with a student on a social site. Marlon Smith was placed on administrative leave last year after the 12-year-old student's parent contacted the school system after allegedly seeing messages between the child and Smith. At that time, there was no social media policy. And because of that, Marlon remains on administrative leave until his plea can be heard by an independent arbiter and a ruling's made. Dr. Nichols says Smith will not return to the classroom when the school year begins and will remain on leave until a decision is made. He's been on leave since January.